This is a 2017 Boston Whaler 350 Realm. It's in beautiful condition, available here at MarineMax Fort Myers. My name is JC. You can stop by and see the boat at any time. Here we are inside the Boston Whaler 350 Realm. Spacious area in the cockpit. Cool box, put all your cool drinks in. Second helm seat that faces forward and aft with the quick push to allow ample seating. You have your port side dive door. Transition up the port side of the vessel. Very spacious helm. This area in between the two helm seats fills in with a table so that you can sit facing each other around the table. You then have the helm position, joystick piloted, twin 16-inch RAYMARINE glass with acrylic panel electronics. Transition forward, very spacious seating, both in the very bow and in the lounge area just in front of the helm. Spacious area inside of the 350 Realm. Beautiful bed space, allows ample room. Inside the head is very spacious. Vacuum flush toilet and wand shower. This is a 2017 Boston Whaler 350 Realm. It's in beautiful condition, available here at MarineMax Fort Myers. My name is JC. You can stop by and see the boat at any time.